Hello friends, this is Meenakshi Boral. Welcome to my new channel, Rongdhonu, the Hue of Creativity. Friends, this channel is made for selling purpose of my crafts works, including my paintings as well. As you can see, these are the paintings, some of the paintings done by me. Of course, I will come to them later. But today, this is my first video. I will be showing you some of my craft works, some mud coolers, the designs on mud coolers done by me. All are for sale, of course. And I'm an artist, and I used to be a teacher, English teacher in school. But right now, my hobby led me to become a YouTuber, just in order to promote my craftsmanship. And I hope the YouTube lovers and the art lovers, of course, among the YouTubers, would love and appreciate my works. So the very first thing that I am going to show you is the set of these two coolers. As you can see, these are done, these are white based. It comes in set, and the colors I have used, that is fabric color, of course. That is basically that is used on muds or mud pots. And as you can see, you can use these coolers as pen stand, or else you can also use it as sapling pots. Okay, so, and the price that I have fixed, and basically this is set, so each set is to be sold 110 rupees worth, in 110 rupees, but the single piece comes in 59 rupees per piece, 59 rupees, and the set is worth 110 rupees. So this is that it comes in set, so it worth 110 rupees, not each. All right. Okay, the next one. There you are. This cooler is golden based, black, I have done it by using black and red and yellow color. As you can see, it is single piece. It will come in 59 rupees. This is in single piece, as you can see. It comes in 59 rupees. Okay, let me remove it for you so that I can bring another one. This cooler is also it is silver based. The color is silver, and I have used red and blue for the designs. As I told you earlier, I have used fabric colors so that it is the color cannot be get out properly. Sorry, so it also comes in 59 rupees single. Now this one, as you can see, I have made this is also a set. this is quite symbolic, and let me explain. This is the face of Ma Durga. As you are, my Indian friends are well aware of Durga Puja festival, especially the Bengali friends. And the face of Ma Durga is done on a collar, as well as the another one. There is a kashful. Kashful is a symbolic that grows during autumn and during the time of Durga Puja festival. Okay, this is a very famous, a symbolic flower that grows during the Durga Puja festival. So I have made these two as a set that comes in 110. Okay, that comes in 110. This is a set. You cannot break it. Okay, sets cannot be broken. So soon I will post some other videos, singles as well as sets. Okay, so this is the item. So today we have these 4 items. 2 comes in set. This is another set. Let me show you the singles as well. This is a set single. It comes in single, the silver one, and it also comes in single. So let me tell you the prices of all these things one more time. 59 per piece, and the set comes in 110 and 110. If you wish, you can break the set, but I would suggest you to buy it in set, because these are complementary to each other. You can see, if I remove this one, you will find it little bit, uncanny, incomplete. So you can see it completes that. Okay, so I would suggest you not to break the set. That is up to you. So that's all for today. This is my very first video on YouTube, so the errors could be occurred, and in my upcoming videos also I will show you some other works done by me. And people, those who are wish to buy, you may contact me. My number I will giving under the video. My number is 9073047461. This is my WhatsApp number. I will repeat one more time. 9073047461. So you'll be happier to know that my videos will be available in Hindi and Bengali as well later on. So this is my first video, that's why the whole video is in English. So later videos I will be translating it in Bengali as well as in Hindi. And after uploading the video, I will post my WhatsApp number one more time. Okay, see it one more time this way. So that's all. That's it for today. And thank you for watching. Definitely the YouTube lovers, those who will be interested, would definitely contact me. Anyways, thank you so much. God bless.